Hey travelers, Glen here, and welcome back to Travel with Glen. Can you believe it's already time to start planning our adventures for 2024? This year, I'm all about helping you discover destinations that offer the perfect blend of culture, affordability, and unforgettable experiences. Where do you even begin, right? Well, fret no more, my friends, because I've done the hard work for you. I've scoured the globe, consulted my travel journal, and tapped into my years of expertise to curate a list of the top destinations that should be on your radar for 2024. So, buckle up, grab your travel journal, and get ready for some serious wanderlust, because we're about to embark on a virtual journey to ignite your travel bug and inspire your next big adventure. First up, Bali, Indonesia, known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant culture, and stunning temples. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from April to October. Next, we have Machu Picchu in Peru. This iconic site offers breathtaking views and rich history. The ideal time to visit is from May to September, when the weather is dry and clear. Don't miss Kyoto, Japan, especially during the cherry blossom season in April. Experience traditional tea ceremonies and explore historic temples. Lastly, Iceland is a must-visit for its natural wonders, like the Northern Lights and the Blue Lagoon. The best time to catch the Northern Lights is from September to April. Each of these destinations offers unique cultural experiences and unforgettable adventures. So, start planning, and let's make 2024 a year of incredible journeys. First up, we're jetting off to the captivating city of Porto, Portugal. Nestled along the Douro River, Porto is a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Imagine strolling through narrow, cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings adorned with intricate tile work. The aroma of freshly baked pastel de nata, those irresistible Portuguese custard tarts, wafts through the air, tempting you into cozy cafes. Porto is a city that beckons you to slow down, savor the moment, and soak in its rich history. You can almost hear the echoes of centuries past as you wander through the Ribeira district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you'll find a labyrinth of narrow lanes lined with restaurants serving up traditional Portuguese cuisine and bars offering the city's namesake export, port wine. Be sure to indulge in a tasting. Your taste buds will thank you. Speaking of port wine, no trip to Porto is complete without a visit to the Vila Nova de Gaia, located just across the Douro River. Here, you'll find numerous port wine cellars offering tours and tastings. Imagine yourself sipping on a glass of tawny port, its rich flavors dancing on your tongue as you learn about the fascinating history and production process of this beloved beverage. And if you're a book lover, prepare to be enchanted by the Livraria Lello, often hailed as one of the most beautiful bookstores in the world. Its neo-Gothic facade alone is a sight to behold. But step inside and you'll be transported into a world of literary wonder. Don't miss the São Bento railway station, renowned for its stunning azulejo tile work that depicts significant historical events. If you visit in June, you'll experience the vibrant São João Festival, a celebration filled with traditional music, dance, and fireworks. And for a true taste of Porto, try the francesinha, a hearty sandwich layered with meats, cheese, and a rich tomato beer sauce. Climb the Clarigos Tower for panoramic views of the city. A perfect way to end your historical journey through Porto. Next, we're whisking away to the sunny shores of Spain, where the vibrant city of Valencia awaits. Now, Valencia holds a special place in my heart. It's a city that seamlessly blends ancient history with cutting-edge architecture, all while offering a laid-back Mediterranean vibe that's simply contagious. Imagine yourself strolling through the futuristic city of arts and sciences, a complex of dazzling white buildings that look like they've been plucked straight out of a science fiction film. From the opera house to the planetarium, each structure is a masterpiece of modern design. But Valencia isn't just about modern marvels. The city boasts a rich history, evident in its charming old town, where you can wander through narrow streets, discover hidden squares, and marvel at the grandeur of the Valencia Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture. And speaking of marvels, no trip to Valencia is complete without indulging in the city's most famous dish, paella. This flavorful rice dish, cooked in a large pan and typically topped with seafood, chicken, rabbit, or vegetables, is a true Valencian culinary masterpiece. Trust me one bite, and you'll understand why paella is celebrated worldwide. Now, if you're lucky enough to visit Valencia in March, you'll be in for a real treat, Las Fallas Festival. This unique and explosive celebration sees the city come alive with giant, elaborate sculptures made of wood, papier-mâché, and cardboard. For days, the streets are filled with music, parades, and fireworks, culminating in the Crema, where the fallas are set ablaze in a spectacular display of fire and light. Getting to Valencia is a breeze. You can fly directly into Valencia Airport, which has connections to major cities across Europe. Don't miss the local markets, where you can find fresh produce and ingredients for making your own paella. Many places offer cooking classes, so you can learn the secrets of making authentic Valencian paella. The city's vibrant street art scene is another testament to its rich cultural tapestry. Explore the numerous art galleries showcasing contemporary and traditional works. And for the science enthusiasts, the interactive exhibits at the Science Museum are a must visit. Culinary tours are also popular, offering a chance to taste a variety of local delicacies beyond paella. Throughout the year, Valencia hosts numerous local festivals, each celebrating different aspects of its rich culture. And when the sun sets, the city's vibrant nightlife offers endless entertainment options. Whether you're relaxing on the beach or exploring the bustling streets, Valencia promises an unforgettable experience. Seville, where passion ignites. Get ready to be swept away by the fiery spirit of Seville, the heart of Andalusia in southern Spain. This is a city where passion sizzles in the air, from the rhythmic steps of flamenco dancers to the vibrant colors that adorn every corner. Imagine yourself wandering through the Alcazar of Seville, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that embodies the city's rich Moorish heritage. Its intricate tilework, horseshoe arches, and lush gardens will transport you back to a bygone era. As you explore its courtyards and chambers, you can almost hear the echoes of sultans and poets. Seville is also home to one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world, the Seville Cathedral. Its sheer size and grandeur will take your breath away. Climb to the top of the Giralda, the cathedral's bell tower, for panoramic views of the city. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the beauty and scale of this architectural masterpiece. And speaking of masterpieces, prepare to be mesmerized by the art of flamenco. Seville is considered the birthplace of this passionate and expressive dance form. Head to a traditional tablao, a flamenco bar or theater, and witness the raw motion and skill of the dancers as they stomp their feet, clap their hands, and twirl their colorful dresses. The Plaza de España, built for the Ibero-American Exposition of 1929, is another must-see. Its semicircular structure and detailed tilework represent the provinces of Spain. Don't miss the Triana neighborhood, known for its rich history in pottery and flamenco. This area has been a cultural melting pot for centuries. Seville's Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is one of the most significant religious events in Spain. The processions, filled with ornate floats and fervent participants, are a sight to behold. And if you visit in April, the Feria de Abril is a week-long celebration of Seville's culture, featuring flamenco, bullfighting, and vibrant parades. Lastly, indulge in Seville's culinary delights. The city is famous for its tapas culture, where you can savor a variety of small dishes bursting with flavor. For a modern twist, visit the Metropole Parasol, also known as Las Sedas. This contemporary structure offers stunning views and a unique contrast to Seville's historic sites. Seville is a city that never sleeps, with lively street performances and a vibrant nightlife that will keep you entertained until the early hours. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks or enjoying its modern attractions, Seville is a city where passion truly ignites. Budapest, the city of baths and bridges. Get ready to be enchanted by Budapest, the pearl of the Danube. This captivating city, straddling the banks of the majestic Danube River, is a mesmerizing blend of history, culture, and architectural marvels. From its grand boulevards and thermal baths to its vibrant nightlife and delectable cuisine, Budapest offers a feast for the senses. Imagine yourself strolling across the iconic chain bridge, connecting the hilly Buda side with the bustling Pest side of the city. This bridge, completed in 1849, was the first permanent bridge across the Danube in Hungary and symbolizes the unity of the city. As you gaze out over the Danube with the Hungarian Parliament building majestically rising on the opposite bank, you'll be captivated by the city's timeless beauty. Did you know the Parliament building is the third largest in the world and took 17 years to complete? Budapest is a city steeped in history, and its thermal baths are a testament to its rich past. The Romans were the first to discover these thermal springs, and the tradition has continued for centuries. The Széchenyi thermal baths, with their grand neo-Baroque architecture and numerous thermal pools, offer a truly rejuvenating experience. Opened in 1913, it is one of the largest spa complexes in Europe. Soak in the healing waters, indulge in a traditional Hungarian massage, and let your worries melt away. Fun fact, the Széchenyi baths are also famous for their chess games played in the water. And speaking of history, no trip to Budapest is complete without a visit to Buda Castle. This historic castle has been the home of Hungarian kings since the 13th century. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, perched atop Castle Hill, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The castle has been rebuilt many times, reflecting the turbulent history of Hungary. Explore the castle's courtyards, museums, and galleries, and delve into the fascinating history of Hungary's kings and queens. The Hungarian National Gallery and the Budapest History Museum are must-visits. As the sun sets, Budapest transforms into a city of vibrant nightlife. The city's ruined bars, built in abandoned buildings, offer a unique and lively experience. So, there you have it. Porto, Valencia, Seville, and Budapest. 4 incredible destinations to add to your 2024 travel list. Whether you're looking for culture, food, or architecture, these cities have it all. And the best part? They won't break the bank. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off destinations. It's about creating lasting memories, embracing new cultures, and stepping outside of your comfort zone. So start planning your next adventure today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels with Glen.